Do people have to be motivated every minute of every day? I had a client a few years ago who climbed her way up the ladder. She took every training, she got every certification, and she achieved the role of director. And she was very much advocating for other people on her team, the people who reported to her, to do the same thing. And there was one woman she was so frustrated with because she wouldn't go to trainings, she wouldn't get new certifications, she wouldn't do any of the things that this woman kept offering her. And she was so frustrated that she wasn't working up to her potential. And so I facilitated a conversation between them. What I learned within the conversation was the woman she was trying to motivate and get to work to her potential was going to retire in 5 years. She had a bunch of grandchildren and a bunch of children, and she loved having her free time for family. She did her job really well. She was great at completing the task. She knew the ins and outs of it, and she was satisfied to be able to do her work really well within 40 hours and then go home. And there's nothing wrong with that. We need those people on our teams. The minute that I got the director to truly hear this and truly understand this, their relationship shifted because she stopped badgering this woman to keep working up to what the director saw as her potential, which the woman had no interest in whatsoever. It's really important that we realize that even though we're the leader and the manager and our job is to develop people and provide them with opportunities, we have to first be curious about how they feel and what they want and respect that.